Businesses have vast amounts of data, and your ability to access it, understand it, and use it is critical. Data is a powerful tool in decision making, but presenting and visualizing data can be a challenge. Power BI is a Microsoft tool that allows you to pull together data from different sources, analyse it, and create visual reports. It's designed to make it easy for businesses to understand their data and use it for data-driven decision-making and engaging various stakeholders.
You can't ignore data in digital transformation. You need to understand how it's stored, who has access to it, and how you can gain insight from it. Power BI can be really useful for this. The Power BI platform can consolidate your data from different sources. It can clean up your data, managing duplications and gaps. It can help identify trends, patterns, and anomalies. It can analyse your data to gain insights and understanding. It can present your data with easy-to-understand visuals. And it can engage your stakeholders and improve your decision-making.
Our comprehensive Power BI course is designed for people looking to unlock the power of data analysis and reporting. Whether you're new to Power BI or need a refresher on the fundamentals, this course will guide you through the essential skills needed to navigate and connect data and create compelling interactive reports. So who's this course for? Anyone that's responsible for preparing reports or presenting data would benefit from using Power BI.
Here's what we'll cover during the course. General navigation. First, you will learn how to understand the Power BI interface, from loading the application to efficiently navigating the workspace. Connecting data. In this part of the course, we will teach you how to import data from various sources, including Excel, databases, and online services, to start building your reports. Data transformation. During this part, you'll discover and learn how to clean, transform, and model your data to prepare it for analysis. Creating interactive reports. This is when you'll learn to master the creation of interactive visualizations. This includes charts, tables, and maps to make data come to life and help drive business decisions. Publishing and sharing reports. Lastly, but not least, we will teach you how to publish your reports to Power BI service and share them with stakeholders for collaboration and insights. By the end of the course, you'll have the knowledge to use Power BI effectively and confidently in your day-to-day work, enhancing how you report and present data to drive actionable insights.
Once you complete the course, you'll receive a certificate that acknowledges your new skills and knowledge in Power BI. This is a great way to demonstrate your commitment to professional development and digital proficiency.
My name is Jenny Gramnes and I'm the Contracts Manager for Digital Futures Cornwall, which is a project funded through the Shared Prosperity Fund and led by True and Penry College. I really wanted to take the course because I had seen Power BI in my Microsoft package, but I didn't really know what to do with it or how to use it, but I've heard lots about it. The trainer was really personable, it was online, we were in a group with lots of different people from various organizations. And it was just at the right pace and I could follow along to all the things that she was saying on my actual desktop with the Power BI program installed. So putting this into practice going forward, I think I'm going to use it for keeping a dashboard of sorts for the Digital Futures Cornwall Partnership. This is something we haven't been sharing previously, but when I see how Power BI can be useful with making data really accessible and user-friendly and attractive, I think that will be much easier to do.
If you're looking to leverage the full potential of the data in your business, this Power BI course will take your data-driven decision-making to the next level.
Get in touch with the team to arrange your own training session, personalised for your business, or find out about upcoming sessions.